Have you ever had a brilliant business idea, only to feel completely paralyzed by the mountain of legal paperwork standing between you and your first sale? We've all been there. You have the vision, the drive, and the product, but then you see terms like articles of organization, registered agents, and operating agreements. And suddenly, starting a business feels more like studying for a law degree than chasing a dream. When I decided to finally make things official, I knew I didn't want to spend thousands on a private attorney, but I also didn't want to mess up the legal foundation of my company. That's what led me to Rocket Lawyer. Today, I want to walk you through what the experience was actually like. The good, the bad, and the wish I'd known that sooner. The first thing that struck me about the platform was the interface. It doesn't feel like a dusty law office. It feels like a modern tech tool. The business registration process starts with a simple interview-style questionnaire. Instead of staring at a blank legal form, the site asks you basic questions. What's your business name? Where are you located? Who are the owners? As you answer, the platform populates the legal documents for you. It takes the guesswork out of the terminology. One of the biggest perks I found was the on-call attorney feature. If I hit a question I couldn't answer, like how to structure my management, I could actually consult with a real professional. Now let's talk about the timeline. Once I submitted my info, Rocket Lawyer handled the filing with the Secretary of State. I received regular email updates, which saved me from refreshing a government portal every 10 minutes. In about 2 weeks, my LLC was official. However, there is one thing you need to watch out for: the subscription model. Rocket Lawyer operates on a membership basis. While this is great because it gives you access to a massive library of legal documents like NDAs or employment contracts, you need to stay on top of your billing. If you only need a one-time filing, make sure you understand how the trial or the monthly fee works so you aren't surprised by a charge later on. Is it worth it? If you value your time and want the peace of mind that your documents are drafted correctly without the big law price tag, then yes. It bridged the gap between a DIY headache and an expensive firm. It gave me the legal green light I needed to stop worrying about paperwork and start focusing on growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.